we go. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? It's me, your girl Beth, and today I'm going to be talking about something like this video is so hard to make.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
We're going to be talking about my strange addiction, not the show, not the song by Billie Eilish. We're going to be talking about my actual strange addiction, which, contrary to popular belief, is spending money. Yeah. I have a straight up addiction to buying shit. Specifically online. When I shop online, I'm like, it's fine, it's fake money, it's not real, it's like Monopoly money, it's like Bratz. It's like I'm playing a Bratz game, right? And nothing really matters. Because realistically, the economy isn't a thing. It's a figure made up by random people. Money comes and goes, money doesn't matter. Fuck the world. Bah! We're in World War fucking 3, guys. Anything can happen. What's gonna happen if you buy one thing that you want? Which then leads me to Spiral. But on a serious note, if you guys didn't know, I have a very keen interest in like one area of purchase. That being interesting looking bags. I love weird bags. I'm sure you guys have seen my Gengar bag, which is like my favourite bag I own right now. I also have like a Batwing bag, one I call my Magical Girl bag, 'cause it's all iridescent. It has a big kind of like cheapy style bow on the back. I have a shell bag. Like, I'm very into weird and wacky bags. I don't know why. My mum has always really been into luggage and that kind of stuff. But for me, I've just always loved unique bags. So yeah, like this one is probably, in fact, yeah, this is my most expensive. I got this for my birthday a few years ago. It is probably my only designer piece I own, aside from like jewelry and stuff. Because in terms of designer clothes, I don't really care. I care more about the accessory side. Not why we're here. We're here because while Beth was ill, she decided to place an order from America. So, yeah. Oh my god, it came from California, like my best friend Jen. Also, please ignore the red nose. I am pretty sure my hay fever is kicking in already. It decided to pay me a visit extra early this year. But yeah, so we're gonna cast our mind back a few years. I believe 2018 or 2019. It was a long ass while ago. A company in Japan called Yummymart did a collaboration with Kirby. And at the time when it came out, you obviously could only get it in Japan. I believe this might have been right as the pandemic was beginning, or like around the time it was starting. Or it might be, anyway, it was like 2019, 2020. And they released lots of clothing and underwear and a bag. And I fell in love with this bag. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna buy it. And I found a dupe of it on AliExpress. And like, I forgot about it for months. And when I went back, it was like unavailable. It had obviously been taken down because they were using Yummymart's images. And like, you just couldn't find this anywhere. The only place you could order it from was the Japanese website when it had it in stock. So me obviously not knowing how to speak Japanese didn't end up purchasing it because I didn't know how to order it, and obviously like addresses and shit. Now I know I could have used a proxy service, but at the time I wasn't very trustworthy of proxy services, and I'm sure with what was about to happen I probably would still be waiting for it now. By that I mean COVID. Which leads me to a few weeks ago when I had a chest infection. I was in all sorts of moods. I could not breathe. I thought I legit was dying. I was in so much pain. Breathing hurt. Existing hurt. Everything hurt. I was like, well, that's it. Game over. Beth done. Blah, 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 blah. That was my impression of when Pac-Man dies. Fast forward to almost a month later and I'm feeling much better. Much better. Final Facts tonight, I need to watch it. Anyway, and stupidly, because it's an international order, I did not update my shipping. In my delirious state was I placed an order on eBay. I found one listing and it was very expensive, and I basically decided to put a bid in. I kind of remember this, kind of not. It was like 3 AM purchase, and then it got rejected, so I was like, okay, I'll leave it. And then I carried on looking for more listings, and they were just getting more expensive because they're obviously coming from abroad, mainly like Japan, obviously. Back to the original listing, and I was like, okay, well, didn't get accepted. I'll place another one slightly higher, and now I'm here, and it's been about a month and it arrived, so we're gonna unbox it. It said on the listing that this came from the original shop in Japan, because I'm guessing Yummymart has a shop as well. I am not familiar with that brand. Like, it's not one of the brands that was in my roster of like Japanese fashion. Obviously, as I've probably mentioned a million times before, I'm hugely into J fashion. Although I may not wear it or present as someone who is interested, I am. Just because you have an interest in something does not mean you have to look that way, you know? Let's try and open it. But yeah, so this came all the way from America. It came really quick because this is priority tracked. I feel quite sorry for the people who live at my old address, because the amount of parcels I still get, like, I know I've got some manga and stuff that I redirected to Joe's house, like a few of the Tokyo Revengers manga when they come out in omnibus form, like the big boys. I know those are going to Joe's, but like I have a few packages. I think this could be the last one actually that are going to the house. But yeah, long story short, we're gonna open it together because I'm really excited. I've waited quite a while for this. Here we go. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. I got it from somewhere called the New Edge Gamers. Okay. So I paid $70, not including shipping. Thank God eBay does Klarna. Oh my God, okay. No, I feel sick. Oh my God, it's so cute. Hi, I would not have paid 70 quid for this if I saw it in shop. I'm pretty sure it did not retail for this in the shop. But oh my God, look, it needs a little bit of cleaning up, that's okay, but look how cute this is. So it's just this plastic, oh wait, hold on, it was 3,900 yen, so about £40 originally, so I paid essentially double its worth. I don't really care. It said it was never used. It looks a little bit used, but like that's cool. I can just colour it in, like any scratches or anything, with a black pen. But like, oh, I should not be trusted with money. Oh my God, it's so cute. This is the bag. I have wanted a clear bag for quite a while. When it came back around again in like 2018, I was like, damn, I need to get one. And I saw one that I was going to get for my birthday, but it ran out of stock before my birthday, so I couldn't get it for my birthday. And then I saw this. Like, look how cute it is. There's a little face and he's just so pink and cute. This is adorable. It kind of looks like a kid's bag, but like, I'll adjust the straps. I'll have a little bit of a mess around with the straps. It'll be fine. I'll make it fit. It'll be really cute. But this actually works super well because obviously I do event management. So when I'm out running events and like I'm going to be working quite a few festivals this year, this could be good because normally they recommend taking the clear bag with you. I'm sure I can like wangle my way into the straps this way and wear it like not like a harness, like a belt, you know? But yes, this boy here is my strange addiction. Here he is. Okay, I'm trying to get him like kind of, you know, there we go. This is what he looks like. You can't really see, well you kind of can. He has a pink tint to the plastic, and then yeah. While I am becoming increasingly aware that I could have made this myself, because this is literally just vinyl, I don't really care. He's just so sweet. I love him. I kind of can't believe I've got him finally. Like, I'm aware bags like this aren't the best because obviously you can see what's in them, but I still think that's part of the culture and the cuteness. It is kind of reminiscent of an eater bag. Obviously, in this case, like, I wouldn't put anything in it, so it kind of makes the idea of calling it an eater bag redundant. But it's just clear and he's so cute. Like, oh, my baby boy. Oh, I love him. Such a good purchase. Okay, I'm really happy. Like, it's so silly that such a useless piece of plastic could bring me so much joy, yet here I am. He's so cute! Ah! Oh man, I have one lecture tomorrow. No, because I need to take my iPad in. I'm trying to think of like ways I can wear him. I can wear him this weekend. I'm out at like, where am I this weekend? I'm at like a talk kind of thing to do with uni this weekend. Like a convention industry talks thing for women in EDM and like the music genre and stuff. So I'll probably wear this there and look real cute and be like, hey. But yeah, oh my god. Is it worth £70? No. Is it worth 39 yen? Probably not, but here we are. I don't care. I love him. He's so cute. I am so happy. As you can see, it's all official. We've got the official Yummymart logo, Yummymart x Kirby, and you can't really tell, but the actual Kirby thing is all like, you can feel it's the official licensing thing. It says 7 on it. I don't know if that means it's the 7th bag or if this is like the 7th collection or something, or 7 years of Kirby, which it definitely is not, but like, you know, I'm not really sure what the 7 stands for, but like, I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm done now. I say that, but watch me collect some more bags. Like, I love weird bags. That's all. I never really carry much with me anyway, so like, this is the perfect size. It's also the size of my face, and it looks like I am inside Kirby. Kirby has swallowed me. Gabble me, swallow me, drip down side, we quick jump up, let it go. Now I'm done telling you my strange addiction. Comment down below what your strange addiction is, and if I should watch my strange addiction. The Office episode though. Gotta show everyone how to do the scar. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.